Right now, there's a YouTube niche pulling in millions of views, and almost nobody is talking about it. I'm talking about Lego cooking videos, where creators are hitting 47 million, 30 million, even 20 million views on a single video, and building channels with over 2 million subscribers. And here's the crazy part. This is long-form content, meaning they're making serious money every single month. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these viral Lego cooking videos using AI, step by step. So if you want a niche that's easy, untapped, and highly profitable, stay tuned. Now let's get started. The first step is generating your scene prompts for the Lego cooking video. Head over to ChatGPT, click on Explore GPTs, and search for stop motion cooking. This tool is specifically designed to help you create viral Lego cooking content fast. Once you open it, click Start Chat, and you'll see the creation interface. From there, select Lego Cooking and you'll instantly get a list of viral video ideas to choose from. Pick any idea you like, or even type in your own custom concept, and hit Enter. Within seconds, the AI will generate detailed scene prompts for your video. These prompts break down every shot, making it super easy to create high-quality, engaging Lego cooking animations. The next step, too, is generating your Lego cooking video clips. For this, we'll be using Flow AI. Head over to Flow AI and switch to the video generation section. Click on Ingredients and set your aspect ratio to 16:9. This is perfect for YouTube long-form videos. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy your first scene prompt, and paste it into Flow AI. Hit Generate, and within seconds, your first Lego cooking scene will be ready. Preview the clip. You'll notice how smooth and realistic it looks. That's exactly what we want for viral, high-retention content. Go ahead and download it to your device. Now here's the trick that makes your video look seamless and consistent. To generate your second video, take a screenshot of the last frame of your first video clip and save it. Then upload it into Flow AI as a reference image. Next, go back to ChatGPT, copy your second scene prompt, paste it into Flow AI, and generate your next clip. This keeps your scenes consistent and makes your entire Lego cooking video flow naturally, just like real stop-motion animation. Now repeat this exact process for all your scenes, always using the last frame of the previous clip. The final step is editing your Lego cooking video and turning it into a polished, viral-ready masterpiece. For this, we'll be using CapCut. Open CapCut and tap on New Project. Then import all the generated video clips you just created. First, set your aspect ratio to 16:9 for YouTube long-form videos. If you notice any watermarks or rough edges, simply select the clip and zoom in slightly to clean it up and keep everything looking professional. Next, add smooth transitions between your clips. Tap on Transitions. Choose a clean, subtle effect and apply it to all clips. This makes your Lego cooking video flow naturally and keeps viewers engaged. Once everything looks perfect, tap Export. Set your resolution to 4K for the highest quality and save your final video. Now let's take a look at our final result. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below.